You are watching Crazy ATV News. Hi, welcome to Crazy ATV News. Today we're going to make
a volcano from Wreck-It Ralph.
Yeah.
So
all you need is soil and
soda
and
Mentos.
Mentos.
We don't know what's going to happen, so I think it's going to erupt.
I think it's going to explode.
Right, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh my god! I knew it! I won!
No, it did erupt.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe.